session we've had here on January 4th. It's only 12 o'clock noon here at Eastern, and really had some good volatility, I have to say. As you all know, I basically do commentary on my videos, especially when I'm trading. Kind of try to review and show you guys how I trade. I'm going to be posting this on YouTube. Hopefully, you guys will appreciate it. It's been a very volatile session. Had some good trades. Don't forget, tomorrow is the last day to benefit from the prop firm Apex. So you've got my link below. Make sure to validate. Here's my promo code as well. Go get your evaluation if it's not done yet. I also use Tick Strike and Financialjuice um, for the main headlines and all that with my trading. Here is ES 30-minute 30-minute chart here. We've got a tremendous volatility today. Market's really getting hammered to the downside. If I show you quickly what we've done so far, when I look at the news, we had the ISM manufacturing here. There's some decent volatility around that. There was the OPEX as well, so you really had to follow that to see how volatility was shifting when crude got the OPEX news coming out. And I think we're going to have a lot of our eyes on all that because the main themes of 2022 will most likely be, you know, again, everything around interest rates, the Fed, whatever is going on with economy and all that. So we have to really be paying attention to these headlines. This is one thing I've always looked at when I trade. It's quickly the tick charts here, showing you guys here what I'm seeing. These are the several trades I had on one of the Apex funded accounts that I have. So that's really been something I'm trying to develop. Here is the Nasdaq 6-point range chart. It's just been a move lower all day, so we need to follow that and make sure we're on the right side of momentum. Hope that helps. Have a nice 2022. Wishing you all the best. January 4th, 2022. Great scalping here, honestly. Been doing a great job of really doing spreads that are working because it's the type of day to do them. Quickly, if we monitor this here, this is a spread chart. Okay, I don't really pay attention to the percentages and all that stuff, so it just gives me an idea of how NQ and ES compare to each other when it comes to a ratio, as now NQ is getting slightly stronger. Pretty much since the open, we've had ES being a bit more, and again, this is 3 ESs, right? The ratio I've got, it's 3 ESs to 1 NASDAQ. Anyway, just quickly, that was really how I've been monitoring, and this is what I've got going here. I mean, a couple of losses here and there, but I'm reading the market pretty well. Very nice volatility. It's not extreme, but we had some decent news that came in that kind of really gave us um, some volatility, just enough to really, And then if I look at what crude's doing here, I mean, I'm trying to show you guys the crude here because there were OPEC news and all that. So this is crude. Really shot up and then shot back down and really has defended that 76.45 that I was looking at very, very nice. So if you come back to the news, there we are. Let's come back to our regular charts. And yeah, so again, this is how you identify value on NASDAQ, which is around 86 at the moment. It's picking up volume from there, so I think we can go long around the 86. So I'm gonna see. It's very volatile here. I mean, it's going up very quickly. This is not where you want to short. So this kind of momentum is definitely in a long trade. I'm gonna try to stick in with a couple here. As you can see, Tick Strike is also flashing. All the major stocks are going green, and there we are. Nice, great trade there. So that's the kind of way I use Tick Strike to give me, confirmation on breakouts or good momentum. And here, I mean, the gauge is also showing us how, the market's doing when it's hitting those value areas that I'm looking at on the tape. So one thing you can also look at is the dome. When you recenter them, how far does NASDAQ go and how far does ES go? And now NASDAQ is actually picking up when I look at my ratio chart. So NASDAQ is kind of leading the way when it comes to volatility. And now we're breaking down on this 404, but it's not a really high volume breakdown here. Now it's picking up. So I'm looking at value here on NASDAQ. We need the market to kind of start trading below 97 for me to be interested into the shorts, as I noticed that that's exactly where the momentum kind of died. Yeah. So now 4s and 5s, approximately this looks like its value here. We can look for a little scalp short here. I'm gonna scalp it here quickly, 20 bucks, or yeah, maybe a bit better. You see, beautiful. Now looking at the gauge and the tape at the same time. So I'm kind of monitoring where the current value is. So 97s, the market didn't really come down with strength there, but we're getting a bit more volume here. So I can look for a short below 97s. I'm going to go for this aggressive short here. If we can oh wow, that was a nice push down. 60 bucks maybe would be nice. There we are. Oh, all right. So that's how you read it. Now looking for value again. 93s, 94s. All right, so 97s, no real momentum to the downside, so we're going to go for a long here. Yep, that was a good idea. 3s and 4s again, 3s and 4s. Here we are, 3s and 4s. Alright, so this is the 30-minute at the moment. This is what it looks like on ES. Market's kind of moving faster here, so let's see if I could look into a short, maybe. Let's see. Here's what that looks like. 69. Yeah. You don't want to go long on this at all. There's nothing to go long on me here, so let's wait a bit. Quickly looking at the 30-minute footprint. Sorry, the 30-minute market profile. So ES has just done a nice little move down. Got into the overnight singles here. Hasn't reached the overnight low yet, but Nasdaq is really far off the overnight low, which is very extremely bearish here. Coming back into these single prints that the market had left. What was it from? Man, it's been a while. It's like December 17th, basically. Yeah, we've got a nice little move push down here on Nasdaq, and I don't know, but these markets are kind of like at any moment this could just reverse and spit on our face here. So let's see. Very high volume though. Just like this 29 here is giving us nothing, and they're not moving it lower. So this is the kind of signal I want to see if I want to go long, and I think I'm going to go long. I'm just going to look for a push, maybe $100 to get our first trade on this account, and maybe not. Okay, so let's see. 31s, 32s. No, we're going to have to be long, aggressively long, and we'll look for a move higher, much higher. Yeah, it's going to high odds really move. Especially if this 35 holds, I think we're going to move higher. Really. Yeah, I could see this moving higher. I mean, the momentum to the downside has definitely moved lower, but I'm just going to try to get into one or two contracts here. It's just a question of getting some good profits out of this trade here. Yeah, here we go. I think we're going to move higher, guys. There we go. That's what I wanted. We're at very dangerous territories here. Close to the lows is pretty dangerous. Yeah, 78s, 80s. Gotta look at our spread charts here. Nasdaq's on the fly. Like, forget it, man. This thing is just leading the way down. 92s, 93s. 78s. This could be a nice area to spot a reversal for ES again. I'm trying to just get in. Maybe one or two lots would be nice. Give us the move we want. Getting some buyers in. Awesome trade of the day kind of thing. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna put a stop right there. Get one out there. I'm gonna keep a runner. Move this to break even. If I can get a Nasdaq that could follow here, that would be nice. Oh, very weak. And look, we got something out of it. One long. Gotta keep it clean. Look for the move. I'm just gonna see if I can keep this value here. That's nice. I might have just got the low of the day kind of thing here, guys. I'm just gonna put a stop there. Here we are. Did I just catch the low of the day? Like, I don't know. It just looks like it. There we are. Gonna let it run, let it run. There's our account. These are the trades we've done so far. Doing well. Gonna push it. Looking at any shift of momentum on value on the tape here, and I will be out. But this is a beautiful runner here. 98s, 98s. If you can't get above 98s, I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna bail out at this account right there. So 98 would be a nice area to short, guys. If you want to short, that's what you want to do. And yeah, looks good to me. Yeah, we're gonna get $100 out of this one, maybe. Gonna get out. Yeah, I don't like it. It's out. 99 is 99. So no real moment to the downside. So I think I could still get something to the long side here. I could most likely be very, very aggressive right here and just take whatever the market gives us here. Here we go. I'm trying to get out. I can't. Oh yeah, there we are. So now the momentum was good. We just played the small little area there. I think the best thing is to really play ES here. I'm gonna go and see if I can do that with ES. Come on. So there is our account. Sorry, here we are. The account is there, doing well. 95s, 95s. Okay, let's see. 95s, 95s. Okay, so I'm seeing 95s as value here. If we're gonna go short, we're gonna go short the 95s. Gotta get out. We're gonna go long now. Alright, here we are, 95s. Just gonna go long on this area. Look for a push higher. Push higher for me. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Caught that. Great momentum here. Tremendous momentum. I'm gonna see if I could. As soon as I see a shift of value, nothing. Volume is not picking up to the downside. Here we are at the 1s and 2s. 1s and 2s are absorbing. So we're gonna add. You're gonna add here and move. Just gonna put a stop right here for now. Not make much on that, but I'm trying to really get a core position to fly here. Yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out here. Don't you think so? Yeah, we got stopped out. It's fine. It's just that the momentum kind of died here, so it's fine. We've got really good trades so far. Trading the Apex funded account. Here we are. Here we are. Shorting ES. Doing a great job. Tremendous here. Come on. Give it to us. Pushing lower, pushing lower. As soon as it hits more than 80 or 90 on the 77.25s. Look. Yeah, that's where I would like to get out. Okay, now I have to. Oh, no, that's good. It's coming back. It's perfect. It's gonna give us $100 here. But then we just had a shift of value there on the tape. I'm gonna get out here. So that was a nice trade, guys. Really nice trade. Like I said, ES is really getting into good territory here. The 47.75s is something I'm looking at. 47.75s. All right, so here we go. If you look at ES here on a 30-minute chart, this is it. So really looking at the market here, giving us a great flush here. I don't know if anyone was expecting this kind of flush, but definitely looks really cool here. The volatility has been nice. I'm gonna go in. So the initial balance low on Nasdaq is 16,353. 47.95 is where we're looking at on ES here. Yeah. If we look at, I mean, we're much lower than the 15-minute low there, so market's really being hammered here. This 211 is still going to be a major spot, honestly. 16,211. Yeah. So we scalped long, we scalped short. We did pretty much a good job of going both ways here, right? Looking for the two-way auction, which is definitely something I always want to see. Now I'm short Nasdaq, and I think we're gonna get a nice little flush here. Sorry, am I short too much here? Oh, short 3. Yeah, I did a bad job there. Gave away some there. It's fine. Threes, fours, here we are. Threes and fours. Threes and fours. Strong selling here. I could get a nice little move here. There we go. I like it. Beautiful. Nice scalp.